Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a message for both you and your friend on Telegram chat using the updated method. If you've ever sent something by mistake or just want to remove a message completely, this quick guide will help you do it in seconds. First, open the Telegram app and go to the chat where the message is located. This works whether it's a private chat or a conversation with a friend. Now, at the top of the chat, you'll see a pinned message if one has been set. Go ahead and tap on that pinned message. This will instantly take you to the exact message inside the conversation, so you don't have to scroll through the entire chat. Once the message is visible, simply tap on it once. This will bring up a menu with different options related to that message. From the menu that appears, select the Delete option. Telegram will then give you a confirmation pop-up before removing the message. Here's the important part. Make sure to check the option that says Also Delete for Friend. This ensures that the message is removed not just from your side, but also from the other person's chat. After selecting that option, confirm your action by tapping the Delete button. And just like that, the message is permanently removed from both sides of the conversation. This feature is really useful when you want full control over your messages, especially in private chats. Just remember, once deleted for both sides, the message cannot be recovered. That's it. Now you know exactly how to delete a message for both you and your friend on Telegram using the latest update.